This 2025 Coachmen Catalina Destination 42 condo is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 45 feet 5 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 9, air conditioning, slide-out, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, microwave, awning, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Catalina Destination 42 condo is 13,059 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.